guys, happy Planner Wednesday, and this spread is from December the 10th through December the 16th. And what I'm going to be doing this week is another movie we always watch at Christmas time. It's Home Alone, and it's the first one, and I love it. So I made my own stickers, and then this is the paper that I found. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby, and I thought it was so pretty. Just the little mittens and then the snowflakes. And then I'm going to use this washi that just says Merry and Bright. I'm pretty sure I got this at Michael's. And I'm just going to use a green Papermate pen. Okay? And I'm so happy that everybody loved my Christmas with the Cranks. That is such a funny movie. So let me take my pages out of my planner. Okay, I've decided that I want the little mittens to be my dominant theme in my spread, so I'm going to cut them first. But I love Home Alone. The first time I watched it, I thought I was going to cry my eyes out. I laughed so hard. It was so funny. And then I really like this paper too. I think it complements the other one very nicely. Okay, let's put our paper down like we want it. But I think this is going to give us a very happy, fun spread. And that's definitely what I'm going for. Oh, I think that's going to be really cute. So let's start putting our paper down. I really like how that's turning out. Oh, I think that looks really fun and cute. Okay, we'll start putting down our washi. I just think this is going to give such a cute look. I really do like that. Oh, I think that is so cute. Let me see, do I want to put any down through here? I think I will. It almost looks like a present. So I think I will put it right down through here. I really do like that. So let's start putting our stickers down. This is just how the DVD looks. And then this is a picture before they leave, the night before, of his weird family that he thinks he has. And then this is the burglar that is coming to case the place out, pretending that he is a policeman. And then here he is, home alone. And does he ever give it to the burglars? Okay, and then this is just some of when he starts really giving it to them. He puts paint containers and lets them fly and hit them. He pours everything on them. He is hilarious. And this is his house. I love this house. It is so pretty. It's all lit up, gorgeous. And here, they're inside the house again, planning to really get him, but they don't realize what's in store for them. Then here's the mom. The whole family was going to Paris, and she realizes on the plane that she's left him. And this is her trying to get a ride back. And here are the burglars once again trying to come in, and he has, it's either nails or tacks on the floor, and he's already hit the guy with the iron in the head. It is just so funny what he does to them. And then here's a tarantula that belongs to his brother that gets on this guy's face. I think I'll put this right here. And then this is an older man that everybody's afraid of in the neighborhood, but the little boy goes to church on Christmas Eve and meets the man, and he realizes he's really not scary. And then here's the bandits once again. They've got him captured in another house. They chased him to another house, and they have him hanging on the door by his shirt collar. This is so funny. I won't tell you how it ends. You've probably seen it, but it is so funny. Now let me write down a few things that I need to do. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner and we'll take a look at it. But I think it is so cute. I think it gives a really good feel for the movie. Okay, I really love my stickers, and I love this paper and the washi. I think it brings out the hilarious, festive feel for the movie. Even despite all this is going on, it is hilarious. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.